Hello everyone, children, we will work on Notepad program. To open Notepad program, click on Start button. All programs appear. In the list of all programs, click on Accessories. Accessories. In the Accessories, you will get Notepad program. So children, let us type the sentence. Give space with the help of this space bar key. Now children, we should come to the next line with the help of enter key. Now press caps lock key to type capital letters. Now children, we have to erase the word never waste water. To erase that word, click on backspace key. And write always save water. So children, in this way you are using alphabet keys, you are using caps lock key, you are using enter key, and also you are using backspace key and spacebar key to type these sentences. Now children, we will learn to type the symbols. How can we type symbols? Some keys are having two characters, two symbols. To type the symbol, we have to use shift key. This is shift key. Okay children? And these keys are called symbol keys, which have two symbols. The upper symbol is called upper character and the lower symbol is called the lower character. For example, exclamatory, @ hash, dollar, these are the symbols. These are called upper character. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called the lower character. So let us type the upper character. Press first shift key, then press the upper character. See children, you have seen the upper character has appeared. If I don't press shift key, if I press 4, then it will appear 4. Again you can do for the other. For example, shift key, @ symbol. If I don't press shift key, it will appear only 2. In the same way, press shift key, So children, you can see how we are using shift key to type upper character. Now children, we will learn that shift key is also used to type capital letters. Now children, we will learn that we can use shift key to type our table. For example, I am writing the table of 5. Five ones are 5. So children, in this way you can write the table of 5. That's all for today. Thank you. Practice at home. Thanks for joining the class. Have a good day.